Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to make a custom hat with Siser Brick 600. Siser Brick 600 heat transfer vinyl adds an extra dimension to your garments. At 600 microns thick, this specialty vinyl can be cut with your favorite vinyl cutters and is very flexible for application. Brick 600 looks great on shirts, sweaters, fabric bags, and as we'll be showing in this video, on hats. To apply Siser Brick 600, set your cap press to 20 seconds at 311 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once you've cut and weighted your transfer, you'll want to double check that your cut graphic is mirrored. Trim it to a manageable size and attach heat tape to each side of the transfer. This will help fix it in place on your hat. Next, load and fasten your hat onto the machine and place the transfer onto the hat. Sometimes when working with curved surfaces, it helps to make diagonal relief cuts on the carrier sheet. This prevents the transfer from bowing and lets it sit properly on the surface of our hat. Cover the transfer with a protective sheet and press. When the timer reaches 0, open the press and remove the hat, placing it elsewhere to allow it time to cool down. Once it's completely cooled, remove the carrier sheet and heat tape from the transfer and you're all set. If you'd like to learn more about Siser Brick 600 and other Siser transfer materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. You can also give our experts a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.